Good morning, traders. How exciting it is when markets are getting stuff on sale. Turbo Option Trading website. Look at all the information you have to trade with. After 35 years, we are bringing it to you. The long trades, the short trades, every trade that makes you money. Now, let's talk a little bit about what we need to talk about. That's Adobe. Okay, we featured the Adobe short with the 560 put yesterday on the highs. And we have gap down. Adobe is down $21. We're going to take a look at the put that we had bought, which was the 540 put. We got in a couple of days ago at $4. They hit a high of 18. That is rocking the house. That is rocking the money on Adobe put side. We brought it to everybody's attention. Join that live trading room. You could use a friend when it comes to trading. People work very well together. Yes, you will work very well with me and you will conquer the market. That's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to do it now.